Now, with the schoolboy football season now in full swing, talks about player burnout and humid temperatures will once again surface. ISA has already announced that they'll be ensuring that each team gets at least 72 hours rest between matches in both the Manning and Acosta Cup competitions. However, there is a new method that may be able to help in this regard. RENARDO Brown reports.
The implementation of 5 substitutes per team, up from 3, and water breaks midway either halves are 2 measures the Inter-Secondary School Sports Association have introduced to help players and teams cope with a tough schoolboy football season. But how does one cope with Jamaica's tropical climate? One developer thinks he has an answer.
What we do is use ultrafine mist as a cooling agent. It absorbs heat energy around and gives you a sudden coolness without wetting. So the process is flash evaporation, and this is what it does. It cools you down without wetting you. And this is something we are bringing to Manning Cup this year as an introductory, as one of the things that can be used to help in the recovery process for the footballers during the match and during the break.
But how is it different from spraying water on players?
It's not just water vapor. Actually, because of how the water vapor is generated, there's oxygen that is infused in it. So you get that refreshed feeling after, almost like morning dew. So this is really what it does. It's an artificial form of morning dew that helps to rejuvenate the body.
While this could be beneficial, is it affordable?
Right now we're looking at $15,000 for the day. As more and more schools get on, that price can be actually brought down. And in fact, we're really looking at seeing how we could share that price, that cost between the 2 schools. So if you're looking at moving from $15,000 one school bearing to half of that each school bears, and it's widespread throughout the whole competition.
According to Harris, he has approached ISA with the idea, but to date, no response. A response, though, has come from St. George's College assistant coach MARCEL GAYLE.
It's a welcome contribution to us. I mean, the guys loving it, especially today when the water break. They use it up. It's a good thing going forward, and I think it's something you can invest in because it keep you cool and you're ready. You don't overburden on the bench because our climate's a bit hot, so it's a welcome. It's a good welcome.
The plant is also portable and powered by solar panels. And just in case the panel fails, you can remain cool. There is also a backup battery. RENARDO Brown for TVJ Sports.